Hi FoodFam, welcome back to Zalinas Kitchen Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how to make Akara right at home. No need to buy from the roadside again. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. So for this recipe, I'll be using beans, of course. I started by selecting and soaking my broken beans overnight. Soaking helps soften the beans and makes washing easier the next day. Now this is me washing the beans. I kept changing the water, rubbing the beans between my hands to remove the skin. Honestly, this is the most annoying part of making akara or moi moi for me. Does anyone feel the same way? I continued this process for a few minutes. As you can see, the water is getting clearer, which means the peels are coming up nicely. I usually dip my hand into the bowl before draining. This helps the peels flow to the top, making it easier to pour them out. Now the water is looking much clearer, though there are still a few peels left, but that's okay for me. I'll be taking this to a commercial grinder because my home blender can't handle beans and I didn't want to take any chances. For my akara, I'm keeping it simple, just onions and pepper. You can add crayfish if you like, but I prefer mine to taste just like the roadside version. That's exactly the vibe I'm going for. After slicing my peppers and onions, I covered everything up and headed to the meal. I'm back now and here's me mixing it all up. I added salt to taste. Just sprinkle in yours according to your preference. Now I'm transferring the batter into a smaller bowl. This makes it easier for me to scoop. My oil is hot and ready. Now it's time to fry. I'm scooping in the batter one spoon at a time. As I pour, I try to do it in a curved motion so the akara doesn't fall flat in the oil. Be sure to fry on medium heat, not too high, not too low. Once one side is golden brown, I flip it over to fry the other side. I repeat this process till all my batter is done. If you're frying using a pan like mine, please hold one side of the pan with a thick rag or cloth. This is very important to avoid hot oil accidents. No stories that touch in this kitchen. And there you have it, our delicious homemade akara with that authentic roadside vibe is ready. You can enjoy it with pap, custard, or even sprinkle some yaaji. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment, share with your friends, and of course subscribe for more homemade recipes. See you in the next one. Bye.